गाइस, तो आज हम देखेंगे कि ग्रेट ईस्टर्न का फॉर्म कैसे फिल करा जाए फॉर डीएनएस बैच। तो आपको अपने मोबाइल में गूगल ब्राउज़र ओपन कर लेना है। देन उसमें सर्च करना है ग्रेट ईस्टर्न मैरीटाइम अकेडमी। ग्रेट ईस्टर्न मैरीटाइम अकेडमी सर्च करने के बाद ये आपको फर्स्ट लिंक पे क्लिक करना है। वंस यू क्लिक ऑन first link, then it will redirect you to the main website. Then it will show a notice to you. You have to read it out and then click on. After that you can click here for online application. Once you click here, it will redirect you to application form. Then आपको अपना कोर्स चूज कर लेना है for DNS. You have to select. It will show the eligibility criteria. That is, your PCM should not be less than 60%, and your age should not be more than 25 years. Then you have to cut it again. फिर आपको next पे क्लिक करना है. Then it will redirect you to the form. DNS को करना है course. If you are going for DNS, then you have to upload your image. फिर आपको लोकेशन सेलेक्ट कर लेना है जहाँ पे आपने अपनी इमेज अपलोड करी है। ये एज एन डेमो आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ टू फिल द फॉर्म। फिर आपको इधर अपना नेम डाल देना है। इधर आपको अपना लास्ट नेम, यू हैव टू फिल योर मोबाइल नंबर हेयर, योर जेंडर, योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, योर नेशनैलिटी एंड एज you can fill. After that you can fill your email ID. Then you have to click on verify email. Once you click on verify email, then OTP will be sent to your respective mail ID. Then आपको अपनी OTP इधर डालना है. Then email ID will be verified. फिर आपको ब्लड ग्रुप सेलेक्ट करना अपना, मैरिटल स्टेटस. Then you can choose your mother tongue. And the things which are marked red are compulsory. You have to compulsorily fill them. फिटनेस में आपको अपनी हाइट सेंटीमीटर्स में डालनी है, वेट केजी में. देन नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू फिल योर गार्जियंस डिटेल. यू कैन फिल योर फादर्स नेम हेयर, योर फादर्स मोबाइल नंबर, योर फादर्स ऑक्यूपेशन एंड योर फादर्स एनुअल इनकम. After that, in mother's detail, if you want, you can leave it blank because it is not compulsory to fill. And then you have to fill your permanent address in this. Once you fill your permanent address, if your permanent address is same as correspondence address, you can click on this arrow to copy the same address in this as well as. Next, you have to fill your passport number. That is again not compulsory. It depends upon you. If you want to fill, then you can. Next, you have to click on academic qualification. In academic qualification, you have to select result status, then click on declared. Next, you have to fill your year of passing here. Then you have to put your English marks. Then year of final year percentage, the total percentage obtained in your class 10th you have to put here. Then you have to fill the college name or your school name. Type the board name here. Suppose you are from CBSE, then you have to type it CBSE here. Then for class 12 result is declared, then you can click on declared. If it is not declared, then you can click on awaited. If after class 12th, if you have done BSc, BTech, BE, then you can fill their detail as well here. Next, your PCM. In this you have to fill your PCM marks. First of all, in PCM physics, you have to fill the number of marks you obtained in physics out of 100. Then in total marks you have to fill 100. Then next it will show your percentage here. Then next, in physics you have done. In chemistry you have again you have to do the same thing with your marks. Next, here you have to fill how you will going to pay the college fee. You can choose either bank loan or by your own. इसमें आपको फिल करना है कि कहाँ से आपको इस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में पता लगा। आप बता सकते हो इंटरनेट वेबसाइट जहाँ से भी आपको इसके बारे में पता लगा। देन नेक्स्ट रेफरेंस, if you have any reference in Great Eastern then you can fill their detail here. And in IMU number, if your IMU number is declared then you can fill, or else you can leave it empty. Then you need to click on online payment. Once you click on online payment, it will show the amount you have to pay. Then you can submit the form, then it will redirect you to the payment option. And that's all. I hope you like my video. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.